In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Mitsubishi Lancer key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do. It'll just take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. All you'll need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR1620 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, go check out that link that I have put down in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find a listing for these particular batteries for just a couple bucks. Now, getting right into the process here, if you look right next to the key, you can see there's a slot along the seam in the plastic. Take your flathead and just insert it in there and gently twist. Oops. Twist until you feel a clicking and you can kind of sense that this thing is opened up. And what you want to do with this is these buttons will fall out. So when you're doing this whole process, you want to just keep the face facing down. So pull this box, this little component out of there, and you just want to set this down carefully to keep those buttons in place. Now, working over here, we want to look on the bottom. Once again, there's a slot for us to put the flathead in. Go ahead and put it in there and twist. This will open up for you. And now we have access to the battery. So you can just take the same flathead and put the corner of it under the battery. Just gently slide it under there and kind of pry the battery up and out. There we go. That is the CR1620 battery. Go ahead and dispose of your old one. Grab your new battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the text on it and the plus sign is facing down. So just snap it into place. Positive side down. And then we can put it all back together. So take these two pieces, squeeze them back into place, and then carefully pick up the front of your device. Line up this peg here, this red peg with the hole. Just drop that in and push it down so that it is settled in place. And then all we need to do is squeeze these two pieces back together, and you are all set. If you want to check to see that you did everything correctly and that your battery is working, just touch one of the buttons and this light should come on like you see right there. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here. We've got you covered with tutorials like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.